Hi there, my name is Gena Golden, and welcome back to our third session on the Blue Couch. Welcome. Today we're going to be talking about progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation is a wonderful tool to help reduce anxiety and stress in your body right away. It's the perfect thing to do. Why? Because you only need one thing to do it, and that is yourself. You don't need any tools, you don't need anything else but you, right? And you can get started right away. This is a wonderful tool. You can use morning, noon, and night. You can use it while you're traveling. You can use it while you're at home. You can use it while you're on the airplane or at the supermarket, right? You can use it on various parts of your body. Just keep in mind that it does entail tensing and release and relaxing muscle groups in your body. So if you have a medical or physical condition that doesn't warrant that, doesn't agree with tightening and tensing a particular muscle group, avoid those particular muscle groups altogether, right? You can just simply bypass that area. So what we're going to do is the first thing is just find a comfortable place like a blue couch or a red couch or some other couch. You could sit on the floor or a chair, right? Just find somewhere comfortable, somewhere that someone can't disturb you for a while. You can even do it in your parked car as long as you're in a safe environment. Look around, make sure you're safe, make sure your car is off. And if you wanted to do these in between, going back and forth to work or on your lunch break, this is a wonderful way to get that boost of just relaxation going on, right? If you have a lot of tension at work, this is a great tool. So let's get started. So find that comfortable place and close your eyes, right? Now, everyone doesn't want to close their eyes for various reasons. Sometimes it's just uncomfortable to close your eyes. Sometimes there's been trauma in your life in which closing your eyes is just not a viable option, or you just don't feel safe. Sometimes people have been abused or neglected, or something significant that has happened in their lives where closing their eyes is just not a good idea. So you know yourself better than I know you. So if closing your eyes is not good for you, don't close your eyes. If you are okay with closing your eyes, please do so. Go ahead and close your eyes now. So I'm going to be looking at my notes just because I want to make sure that I tackle every major muscle group in your body, okay? All right, so first begin by taking a deep breath. And as you take a deep breath, fill your lungs and then hold your breath for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, and now release the breath slowly and allow the tension to leave your body. Now take in another deep breath and hold it. 1, 2, 3, and then release. Again, notice the tension leaving your body. Now take in another deep inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, and then let it go. Allow the tension to leave your body once more. Now, the first thing I want you to do is focus on your feet. Keep your eyes closed and just focus on your feet. Begin to tense your feet by curling your toes and the arch on your foot, on each foot, and just hold it. Hold on to the tension and notice what that feels like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then let it go. Release the tension in your foot. Notice that feeling of relaxation. Next, begin to focus on your lower leg. Keep your eyes closed if you can. Tense the muscles in your calves. Hold them tightly and pay attention to the feeling of tension in your calves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let go and release. Release the tension in your lower legs. Again, notice that feeling, right? Remember to continue to breathe deeply. Next, I want you to tense the muscle in your upper leg and in your pelvis area. You can do this by tightly squeezing your thighs together. Make sure you feel tenseness without going to the point of strain. right? We're not trying to hurt ourselves. We just want to tense those muscles. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, release. Release the tension from those muscles. Begin to tense your stomach now. So I want you to tense your stomach and your chest at the same time. And you can do this by sucking in your stomach. Squeeze harder, harder. Hold the tension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax and let it go. Release the tension from your stomach and your chest, right? And allow your body to go limp at this point, right? Let yourself notice the feeling of relaxation coming over your chest and your stomach and just in general around your whole body. Continue to take your deep breaths. Breathe in slowly, noticing the air filling your lungs, and hold it. 1, 2, 3, and let it go. Release the air nice and slow. Feel it leaving your lungs. Next, I want you to tense the muscles in your back by bringing your shoulders together behind you. So just squeeze your shoulders together behind you. Hold them tightly. Tense them as hard as you can without straining, and keep holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let go. Release the tension in your back. Feel the tension slowly leaving your body overall. And feel this new sensation of relaxation. And notice how different your body feels when you just allow it to relax. Now tense your arms all the way from your hands all the way up to your shoulders. So make a fist and squeeze it all the way through your arm and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release the tension from your arms and shoulders. Notice the feeling of relaxation in your fingers, your hands, your arms, and your shoulders. Notice how your arms feel limp and at ease. Now I want you to take your shoulders and pull them all the way up to your ears and hold them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then drop them down. And allow the tension to flow out of your shoulders, down through your arms, and out through your fingertips. Now move up to your neck and your head. Tense your face and your neck by distorting the muscles around your eyes and your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release the tension and again notice the feeling of relaxation. Finally, tense your entire body. Tense your feet and your legs and your stomach and your chest and your arms and your head and your neck. Tense them now. Tense them hard without straining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release. Allow your whole body to go limp. Limp, loose, and relaxed. Pay attention to the feeling of relaxation. Maybe even the feeling of tranquility. This limpness, you've been holding all this tension in your body all day. You finally get a chance to just let it go and relax. Notice how you feel. Notice if the tension feels different in your body. So begin to wake up your body by moving your muscles around, right? So just kind of wiggle your fingers and, flex your toes, move your shoulders, right? Adjust your arms and your legs. Stretch your muscles. I want you to just stretch everything out. Stretch your arms, stretch your legs, and then relax. Notice how you feel. This is something that you can do every morning, every evening, or even during your lunch break. It doesn't hurt, but it does help, right? Just make sure that you are in a safe or private area when you do it so you can have space to do it uninterrupted by others. Now go back and rewind the video. Just rewind it and you can listen to it again and again, and I can guide you back through it until you get the hang of it. And you start to just do it naturally and organically. You start tightening and tensing all of your muscle groups and feeling more and more relaxed as the days and the weeks go on. You deserve this. This is a tool that you can have with you in your toolbox. Whenever you're traveling on an airplane, you can tense and release. When you're in a hotel room, you can tense and you can release. When you're waiting in line to get your groceries, you can tense and you can release. When you're waiting on your doctor's appointment, you can tense and you can release. When you're lying in bed about to go to sleep, you can tense and you can relax. You can literally do this any and everywhere. All you need is one thing, and that is you. So I hope you enjoy this tip, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Take care. Peace.